protein obsession is a very serious problem in the fitness community, and it has to stop because it's completely overrated, and there are far greater issues that exist when talking about nutrition. Protein should be the least of your concerns if you're actually following a clean, balanced diet. And honestly, when we actually look at the research, the amount of protein that you need to succeed is so minuscule that anybody who worries about this must, by default, enjoy protein-rich foods, or they like the thermic effect for satiation. But beyond that, protein is not difficult to obtain. It's very, very, very easy to get, either on a plant-based diet or an omnivorous diet. Super easy, and it's not what you should be focusing on. What I feel gym bros need in their life is micronutrients, because I can guarantee you this. I can guarantee you my bank account that most people who go to the gym are not getting enough fruits and vegetables. I'll lay everything on the line. I will bet my life on that statement that most people are not getting adequate amounts. Instead, they want to obsess about protein all the time, which they're already getting a surplus amount of. If you're already getting the optimal amount of protein that you need every day, which is going to be 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight according to the research, well, why are you going crazy for protein? Why? You need to be focusing on your micronutrients because health is number one. Whatever happened to health? That's what you really need to be focusing on. Gym bros have to stop with the protein obsession, and instead they must become micro-obsessed. I'm serious. You gotta start mega dosing your freaking berries. You gotta start having a lot of berries, lots of different fruits, melons. These are the foods that are really gonna bring about true health to you, man. Not all this protein, man. No. It's your micros that you gotta be focusing on. Everybody talks about if it fits your macros or flexible dieting, but they're deficient in micronutrients. Or if not the word deficient, they're just not getting a great amount of it. Where do you hear people talking about antioxidants in the bodybuilding world? Very rare. It's usually some skinny hippie guy. Why? Why does it have to be some skinny yoga motherfucker to give advice on micronutrients? Why can't it be a bodybuilder who's actually jacked, giving recipes that includes different fruits, different vegetables, stuff like that? Why is it always a skinny dude who has to give advice on health? It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy that you have all these muscular men who aren't getting enough fruits and vegetables. And they have terrible health as a result of this. And of course, they don't even do cardio. So, the protein question is not the one that we should be focusing on. The real issue is the micros. We need more fruits, more vegetables. You need your fruits, berries, and melons in particular. Very, very important. Your dark leafy vegetables as well. Very beneficial for health. Okay, so this is the real problem. And I'm tired of seeing all these protein recipes and all this crap when it's easy to obtain. There's a million different ways to get your protein intake, and it's not hard. We have shakes available, okay, which you can easily get like 20 grams in one little scoop. On an omnivorous diet, your eggs, your beef, your chicken, all that stuff rich in protein. Even on a plant-based diet, your blocks of tofu is like 40 to 90 grams, legit. So protein's not the problem, it's micronutrients, okay? And people need to focus more on health. We need to focus more on cardio. We have to focus more on eating the right foods, going to the right places, stop buying all this crap, stop putting all this junk in our bodies, and getting our bodies in a healthy state. Not protein. And again, I'm not trying to talk bad about protein. I'm just saying that it's largely overrated and people keep talking about it way too much. I put some recipes up on Instagram. They're like, what about the protein? It's like, who cares about the protein? I'm making a freaking salad here. I got some salad, right? I got the nuts in there. I got the fruits. Everything is perfect for my health. Flushes you out. Makes you feel good. People are worrying about protein intake when you already hit your amount. That's what makes no sense. You're already hitting your amount, but you're still obsessing about protein. That's crazy. Take all that energy that you have, the protein. Take that energy and focus on different things. Maybe focus on your herbs, your fruits, your veggies. Focus on researching on these different things. Look at the skinny guys who are talking about this stuff and get your health in check. For real, health is the most important thing. You don't want to be in your 40s or 50s and you have all kinds of issues. Is your protein intake really that important when you're suffering? No, absolutely not. So let's get back to health. Let's stop obsessing about protein. If anything, we should obsess about the micros. I feel that that's a term that we don't really hear. We don't hear micros overrated because they're not. The more micros you get, the better it's going to be, my friend. So get that clean eating in your body. Flush your system out. Get healthy. It's much more important than protein, which you're already getting. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed the segment. Give me your feedback down below, and I will talk to you all next time.